What's up, YouTube viewers? I'm back with another video. It's been a long time, or should I say vlog now? I've been doing this long enough to say vlog now. So I'm back with another vlog. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeing. So I come out to work on my car today, and there is a small visitor in my car. Yeah, this little buddy got out of there. Yep. But today, I'm gonna get everything situated before I start telling the story. Yeah, so I felt like since it had been a long time and it's kind of fresh, it's kind of new, I haven't did this before on YouTube, that I would, I'm not gonna say document, but vlog. Yeah, I'm a vlog. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I got a mass airflow sensor and a BBK cold air intake. Some time ago, if you follow me on Instagram, motor mouth _ slicks _ yeah, that's it. I'll put it right here so you can see it. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already noticed that I got a bunch of parts for my Fox body Mustang. I'm show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah, because I'm missing a whole bunch of parts from my car. So as you can see, I don't have a battery, didn't have a mass airflow sensor or a air intake or any of that. Currently I do have a seat. I got a Cobra seat. If anybody know where I could get the brackets that would make it to where I could put that in this car, so that and that, yeah, let me know, because I have had trouble finding them. Yeah, and a few more things like the transmission is not in the car. Soon enough, I'll be taking the car to this shop to get the transmission put in. Didn't feel like doing it myself, so yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. Let's get to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Yeah, and I think it's probably been about 2-3 months. Look at the cat. The cat's still over there. Yeah, it's been about 2-3 months. I'm not exactly sure since the last time I vlogged anything about my car. So, as you see, it's wet outside, rainy season. My SN95 is outside. Took the top off. I feel like I should have kept the top on, but it was just, it was just a matter of time before I was gonna have to take it off. So I've changed the rotors. Not only have I changed the rotors, I got all 4 of the wheels on. So I believe those come off like a 2000, maybe, I don't know. But that's pretty much all I've done to this one, other than the lights. Like I said in some of my previous YouTube videos, I was gonna do lights. I've done lights, etc, etc, etc. I've been keeping busy with that car. I've been doing a little bit to it every now and then. And yeah, I did shout out to Power Stop too. Power Stop, when I bought my rotors, they sent out a pair of brake pads. Don't know if that came as a package deal, because I'm one of those type of people who order stuff who don't read all the specs, but I just make sure that it fits. And ordering from the website that I order from, yeah, LMR. I think it's called LMR. So I order stuff from LMR, and you can just input whatever vehicle you have, boom, 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 and then, yeah, there you go. Other than that, going to my YouTube, you can DM me, you can get my merch. Got it on the wall. Let me show you a close-up. Nothing too major right now, but it's pretty cool. you know, shirts been selling. They sold pretty quick. I was surprised. Some of the money went to car parts. Some of the money went to my stomach. But yeah. It's an investment. I'm practicing small business. I thought the shirts was really cool. I'm working on the second one. Haven't really got a design. Got some people that want to help me out now that I've already created the first shirt and want to help me design the second shirt. So be on the lookout for that second shirt. And do buy the shirt because it does help me. It helps me a lot. So yeah, we're going to get to it and trying to put cold air intake for the first time. Let's do it. And try to prop the camera up so you guys could see. But you probably won't even be able to see me doing this. Maybe I should clean the engine bay out first. Hold on, I'm gonna clean the engine bay out. So the engine bay is clean and you can see a little bit better. I got goodies in here. I have a radiator, aftermarket radiator. That's pretty good. Aluminum radiator. The stock one is a little bit smaller. I've seen them on the 85s. I haven't really seen them for my car, but I've seen them for the 85s and they look way smaller. Aftermarket. I can't even think of what they call right now. Yeah. Yeah, aftermarket those, and somebody actually took the liberty of painting the manifold and the valve covers, which is pretty cool. It actually looks nice. It's not that bad. I do plan on changing some of the things around. I might paint my headers. Other than that, yeah, I really don't know where to go from there, but we'll figure it out once we get the transmission in. Try to pop this camera once again where you guys can see me good. I really don't know how to assemble the mass airflow sensor, but I'm gonna give it a shot. That was so much easier the first time. Yeah, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So let me go grab that. Yeah. Yeah, I like that this car came with the aluminum radiator, just like the Valiant. The Valiant has an aluminum radiator as well, which I thought was pretty cool because way better than a normal radiator. I guess it helps with the cooler. As you see, this stuff is not used, this is random. I might just fast forward this part. I always watch videos and you see they ramble on about what they're doing with the thing, and it's the part I really don't like watching myself. So. Oh yeah, I even get a sticker. Doo-doo.
Not sure which one is which. I would assume that one of the smaller ones. Okay, yeah, that way. Grab one of these. One of the smaller ones. Oh yeah, that's a tight fit. That should be right. That should go right there. Let me check this out. Definitely not this one. That goes on the smaller side, I'm pretty sure.
In the mass airflow sensor, I know that goes on the other side. Oh, wonderful. So yeah, this is about as far as I've got. Ran into some clearance issues, like here, which isn't too bad. I don't know if it's gonna rattle, and here where the hose just sits directly on top of it. I don't really like that. And then now I'm thinking that I have to take this out and add the new one. And this is also this is also became an issue because this does not. I have to get a little paint in there to get that out. But yeah, this does not a direct fit, so I have to figure that out too. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, it doesn't tie in with the color scheme unless I do like a red, white, and blue. It was pretty cool. I had two options. When it came to the cold air intake, there was a black one. The black one just came with black piping, and I think it comes with black little thingamajiggers. I don't know what they call it, but they're blue. And on that one, they're black. So yeah, I definitely would need those parts to make work properly. But yeah, other than that shit, it's working. So I'm gonna go get this out and see how well it fits. Yeah, so far this is what it's looking like. Actually fits really well. Last part will be the filter. I really don't like the filter. Before it to look, you know, nice like this, you won't even be able to see it. It's behind the fender. But yeah, overall, that's what it's gonna look like. Story time. So when I was a kid, don't know the exact age, but I was younger. I had, well, not just me personally. Our family had a cat that was black, and the cat's name was Booty. So, nobody's sure on what exactly happened to the cat. The cat just ended up disappearing, but this cat was so old. I had to be about, I want to say, close to 9 years old. The cat had been around for longer than that. I remember when I was a child, I was trying to fix the porch because my grandma had a rickety old porch, and I was trying to fix the porch as a kid. And I remember asking my grandmother about how old the cat was, and I came up with a number, me counting on my fingers, that the cat was almost 14 years old. So cats live a long time. But yeah, that cat won't be living a long time in my car, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to keep the cat out of the goddamn cockpit, because that's where I go, not where the cat go. Yeah, so Scruffy got to get out of there, whatever the damn cat name is. Yeah, man, I miss old Booty, man. Miss Booty, man. I really do. Yep, but test fitting this seat. Yeah, man, I got so big at one point, I couldn't even fit my own t-shirts, man. I had got larges and mediums and then some XLs, and I couldn't even fit my own shirt, man. So I had to, you know, shake a few pounds, cut off on all the eating. Yeah, this seat looks nice in here, man. It's just kind of low. Gotta figure out where I get the brackets from and put it in. That would be nice. Yep. Yeah, man. I'm starting to like this car more and more every day. Still needs paint. Yep. Excuse me. It's about time boy go get him a little twist. And maybe on lineup. Had to go to the dentist the other day so they could extract the rest of the tooth out of my mouth. It was bothering me. Luckily, I got it extracted. It cost me over like close to $1,000, but yeah, got it out of there. Soon they'll be putting another tooth in there, so your boy won't be looking toothless. But that's almost it, man. That's all for today. Might vlog again tomorrow. Not sure, but stay tuned. Be on the lookout for videos from your boy, Motor Mouth Slicks. Yeah. Oh, make sure you DM me. Go get in my DMs. Go and try to find Motor Mouth _Slicks underscore and try and DM me, get a shirt. That really helps, man. Everything, you know, watching the videos, that helps too. Try to get me more subscribers. Try to, you know, because it's the only way I'm gonna be able to do this stuff, because it's getting expensive. It's not cheap. I think altogether I've spent, and you know what's funny about that? I really don't know how much I've spent. I don't know exactly how much I've spent. And I remember before I really got into this, I used to ask God all the time, like, how much have you spent on your car? Like, how much did you spend on your car? I was so excited to see the cars all souped up or all modded out. I'm like, how much do you spend on your car? Hot rods, to see them all the time. How much did you spend on your car? Guys always tell me, like, they get a smile on their face and they just look at me like, they really didn't know. So they would tell me they didn't know. And they would give me a rough estimate sometime. And I'd just be mind blown by what they were telling me. And it's like, now I'm getting like that, to a point where I don't even have a rough estimate about how much I've spent on the Mustangs or the Valiant. Yeah, but that's a story for a whole nother day. Like I said, stay tuned. Be on the lookout for more clothing from me. More Mouse Leaks. Peace.